Hey guys, when you're out boondocking and you gotta use the bathroom, this is what you do. I can't wait. Whew. Let's go ahead and set this portable toilet up. I'll show you. Guys, we have all of the essentials here. I'll leave the link in the description below on Amazon from where I got this stuff from. Let's start with the toilet. Pretty simple. Comes in a bag. Let's take out the bag. You don't need instructions. You got bags to put in there. Basically all you do this, take it like this, put the bottom down, get a disposable bag, get a disposable bag. It comes with about 50 bags. So, everything's around here. You got the bag. Let's go ahead, put the bag in. If I can find the right end of it. Get your bag opened out. Put it in. Close your lid. That's your seat. Got a lid. Do your business, and when you're done, you got this special poo gel. Mix this in with the poo and urine, and it turns to like a gel. So it's biodegradable. You can throw it away in any garbage can when you're done. And of course, good old standby toilet paper. And if you prefer, disposable, flushable wipes. So that's all you need to be comfortable and use the bathroom without having to go searching or worry about privacy. Now, if you like this video, please share it, like, subscribe. You know what to do. And yeah, tell me this. Now, will you use something like this if you had it? Or would you rather be at a regular toilet with running water and all the nice necessities where you can maybe get germs from other people and stuff? I wouldn't. This is me all day long. Thanks for watching, guys. We ready.